Hey everybody, happy Sunday. So let's start out right off the get. Janelle's back. So
Hi.
these things on her face, I was going to show you the box and I forgot to grab one,
This
um,
way.
are a really cool invention that I didn't know was out there, but you put them on, they're sticky, you put them on your face and they cool it all down. It's like for the swelling.
Do they even know why I'm
Oh,
swelling?
that's right. She had all four of her wisdom teeth pulled.
Yeah, that happened.
So yeah, she's making a cameo today.
Thought y'all might have missed me. Might as well see me at my worst. Hey, how you doing?
So her swelling got a little out of control. So she's
It did.
keeping those on faithfully because yeah, the swelling is a thing.
It got a little crazy.
So did you weigh in?
Yeah,
And
143.
so she's at 143. I unfortunately have gone out of pound. I'm at 145. Or actually 146. I was 146 this morning. So I've gone up a little bit, but because I haven't been real good this week.
Well, I'm at 143 because I can't eat.
Well, that's true. She hasn't
So,
been able to eat for the last 2 days. So,
yeah, I can't eat.
well, really, today's Sunday, so you didn't eat at all yesterday, and then Friday you didn't eat either because that's when
And
she got it done.
Thursday,
Yeah, and
barely at
Thursday
all.
evening she didn't eat because she was doing the whole
I
fasting
wasn't
thing
allowed to eat
before
before the surgery.
surgery. So,
So,
yeah, so she really hasn't eaten much of anything in the past 4 days, 3 days,
yeah,
other
except for
than
Jello.
Jello and soup,
And I had some mashed potatoes this
mashed
morning.
potatoes this morning.
That
Yeah,
was my breakfast.
you know,
That's
soft stuff.
healthy.
And I went grocery shopping this morning and got her yogurt, so that'll help too. Um, but yeah, yeah. So she hasn't been here in a few weeks, so she thought she'd just pop in and say hello and let y'all see how cute she is
Yeah, I'm so pretty.
with her ice packs on her face.
Hey, but these things are miracle workers. Like they are magic. They're the coolest things ever.
Well, it was the craziest thing, you guys. The dentist sent her home with one of those bags that you're supposed to like a packet inside it, and you pop that packet, and then it gets cold right away. So it's not like the old fashioned
Put in the freezer, wait for it
yeah,
to cold,
right. So
get
it gets
cold.
cold instantly. But they gave her a defective one that didn't have that packet inside it.
Yeah, it was broken.
So we had to go. So she decided she didn't care, and then it's fine. And then a couple hours later, yeah, she cared.
It mattered.
Yeah, it
The
mattered.
second all that numbing stuff wore off, I was screaming. It was awful.
Yeah, I went to the store and found these really cool things, and
Yeah.
they have made a world of difference. So she has involuntarily been fasting this week. I, on the other hand, have not. School has been stressing me out. I'm old and learning is harder than it used to be, a lot harder than it used to be. And I'm learning really strange, weird stuff that the brain doesn't just pick up instantly. So it's been stressing me out. So I've been eating. Not, I wouldn't say I've been eating a lot. I just eat whenever I get stressed out.
Whenever you want.
Yeah,
Like
I'm
when I
not.
caught you going into the kitchen at 9 o'clock at night.
Yeah, yeah. It's like I just get and then I go grab something to eat. So without paying any attention to what time it is or how long it's been since I ate last. Oh yeah, there's that.
She's really killing herself on the schooling thing though. She's invested.
Well, I'm doing I work during the day, but my hours have been cut, but I still have to be there, in case work comes in. I don't want to miss it. So I work basically from 8 in the morning, 7:30 in the morning until 5 o'clock, but I'm not really working. I'm just kind of waiting for work. But I don't want to do school during that time because once I'm really in it and focused, and then if I get called in, to do something for work, it throws me all off. So I've been waiting till after 5. So I've been going 5 till about 11 every night doing schoolwork, and then all day Saturday and Sunday. Yeah, so my brain is a little tired, to say the least. We're gonna keep this one kind of short today. I don't have a whole lot to tell you. She's recovering
Yeah.
and looking. Yeah, you should have seen her Friday after it got done because she. I don't know if you guys know who Cindy Lou Who. Did I say it right? I
Yep.
always mess up her name.
From the Grinch.
Yeah, from the Grinch, the movie The Grinch. That little girl, the Cindy Lou Who.
With the real
Oh
weird
my
face.
God.
Yeah, that was me.
Because she was all pouty and all swollen, and she looked just like her. I was just like, oh my God, it's Cindy Lou Who. It was so funny. She doesn't see the humor, but I did. It was funny. Um,
I don't think it's funny to make fun of people when they're in pain.
yeah, it is. Actually, it's funny.
Although I do it all
I
the
was gonna
time.
say, you of all people better not say that
Yeah.
because she's evil when somebody's in pain.
I'm evil when I'm in pain too.
She's a really, really bad patient, you guys.
I should be
She
a
just
doctor.
is. Yeah, no, you don't. No, no. Anyways, but she's feeling way better today than she has
Yeah.
been, so that's good. I'm glad to see that. And those things on her face, it looks like she's got feminine napkins on her face, but that's not what they are.
No, they're sticky ice packs, and they're awesome.
And they do help it feel better. So you do what you gotta do, right?
Right.
So again, I said we're gonna keep this one short today, and we are because I gotta dive right into school. I got up at what 7:30 this morning, something like that, and was at the grocery store by 8.
Her choice, not mine.
Whatever. But I got it done, and we just literally just got all the groceries put away and everything taken care of, and now I was gonna dive right into school, but I decided, no, I better do this video first, otherwise it's not getting done today. And I asked her if she wanted to do it with her pads on, and she said yes. So
I said, sure, why not? But hey, don't forget to like and share and subscribe and stuff because she forgot again.
I forgot again. I'm supposed to say that in the start of the video.
So keep that in mind. Don't forget.
And for those of you that are new here and are going, who are these crazy people? I'm sorry. I'm Debbie. That's Janelle.
I'm Janelle. I'm her daughter.
I've been doing intermittent fasting and OMAD for just over a year. I'm down. I was down a little bit more than 70 pounds, but now it's more like 64 pounds or something like that.
That's all right. We'll get back down.
But this whole thing, Twilight Zone, don't say that word. They strike my video and then I can't load it. That's why I don't use those words.
Interesting.
Yeah, YouTube's crazy like that. The last video I did, I had put in the tags something about what's happening, and I used a word, the word, and they struck my video and said I couldn't upload it. So yeah, we don't say that. Yeah,
I didn't know that.
Yeah, so we don't say that word. So I just say we're living in the Twilight Zone. And since we've started living in this Twilight Zone episode, my fasting has been sporadic at best. I think it's a combination of I was watching way too much news and getting myself flustered. That and starting school again. The combination. Now I don't watch so much news because I simply just don't have the time. But but it's healthier not to. And you guys that are watching it all day, just stop it. Just stop it. Really, just stop it. And initially they didn't know enough about this thing that's going around. So it was, for me anyway, I wanted to find out as they were finding out what the heck this is and what it's doing to us and what the outcome's going to be. But we kind of know now. We kind of have the information, at least on that part. So it's not as important to be watching all the time. Okay, so stop stressing yourself out.
And look at her telling people how to live their lives.
Well, I'm telling you because I know that's what I did, and it was a bad plan, man, very bad. Oh yeah, so for the new folks, these are usually upbeat and fun, but I'm tired and my head hurts and she's in pain. So yeah, it's just one of those kind of days. But I told myself I'm not missing another Sunday. Over the course of the last year and 3 months, I think I missed 3 weeks of doing a video, which is pretty darn good if you think about it. I've got, almost 90 videos up there already. So obviously, and there were plenty of weeks I did more than one, which is why there's more than 52 weeks. Right? There's way more videos than that. Math. I don't like that either. But okay, so we're gonna get on with our day. She's gonna go lay down and take her meds, and I'm gonna go dive into school.
Yep.
So which is both luck, her healing, and my learning. And by all means, please post below how you did this week, how this whole Twilight Zone time is affecting you. Is it affecting you as far as your eating habits? Share below because you're not alone. I'll tell you that you're not alone.
No, you're not.
Um, and of course, like and subscribe, please.
And share.
And share. I wouldn't share this one, you guys. Don't
No,
do that.
please don't. My
But
face
maybe the
doesn't
one-
need to go viral. Okay, so please don't.
But maybe last week's was a good shareable one, but this one probably not.
Please don't.
But like it anyway.
Yeah.
Okay.
Enjoy us.
And make fun of her because that's fun too.
Feel free. Feel free. We should have done a video when I got back from my surgery.
I did. She knocked the phone out of my hand.
One of these, not a
Oh,
record
I was
me.
like, what? I did.
No, the record me did not go well.
She was not a nice person.
He's not nice to me.
I was laughing. It was funny.
Yeah.
She couldn't say strawberry. She wanted strawberry jello, but she couldn't say strawberry because her mouth was full of gauze, obviously.
And
Plus,
super swollen.
and she was still
was
doped
high.
up. I can't even do it. Swabba. It was hilarious.
Yeah, whatever. It doesn't
But
matter.
she didn't find it funny, and she knocked the phone out of my hand. Who does that?
A mean person, which is me. All right, you guys, have a wonderful Sunday.
See you next week. Remember, we are in this together. We will do this together. Bye now.